I hope all you're doing fine. This is Sarathy from Sarathy's Kitchen here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy garlic chicken egg burrito. All of this in one. This gonna blow up your mind. It's a friendly recipe and perfect for busy mornings, campings, schools, everything. I hope this becomes a new favorite for you. Let's get started. So here I have in a bowl, I added half teaspoon of cayenne, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of cumin, and as well for the oregano and onion powder. And here in another bowl, I have the chicken breast, no need for more. And then I will mix, I was going to do it like that. Then I'm going to mix and salt as well. And then I'm going to mix this with the chicken breast. Just mix it very well until it combines perfectly. Now I will go directly to the pan. So here in the pan I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I will place the chicken on medium-high heat and grill it. Voila. And I want to grill it like for 5 minutes on each side until it's well cooked. So I grilled it on both sides for like 5 minutes. Now it's well cooked and I will let it rest for a while. Then after I will slice it in 2 shapes. In the same pan, I will add olive oil again, like 1 tablespoon. I will add onion and stir all these babies here. Medium heat. Then directly I will add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Then stir all together. 1 minute after I will add my chopped green pepper. You have red pepper. You add it. And you stir for about 1 minute more. Now after I let that chicken rest for a while, I'm gonna cut it into this shape. Oh my god, this smell. Don't be afraid of all these spices, I'm telling you guys. Give it a try, no regrets. You chop it like that. Now, in a mixing bowl, combine 2 large eggs, with a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, after adding 1 tablespoon of sour cream, whisk those thoroughly to combine. Now after I sliced my chicken and these babies here are well cooked, I will drop these on the top of them. I stir all of them together just like 30 seconds and then keep it aside. And this while I will be doing the eggs. Now place a pan, non-sticky one, over medium heat. Add here your beaten eggs. After you added your beaten eggs, swirl the eggs to evenly coat the bottom of the pan and let them cook gently. Once they nearly cook through, sprinkle the top about 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese. We're just adding a little bit of cheese at this point to help the tortilla stick to the egg. Now place the tortilla directly over the surface of the egg and let that rest for about 30 seconds. Now use a large thin spatula to get under the egg and flip it over. It should flip easily. If you are having trouble flipping, means that the eggs needs a little longer to set. So let it stay on the heat for 30 seconds, then try flipping it again. Once you flip it over, set the chicken in the middle. Some corn. And cilantro. Then you add the cheese again. You need to bring it like that. Let it rest for a while. Then I'm gonna fold it. I spray the pan a little bit in olive oil. Then I will fold this one. And directly place it on the pan here. Once you feel the cheese inside is melted and your tortilla is crispy and golden brown, you can remove it from the pan. Flip it over. Oh my goodness. Now you remove it from the pan directly into the cutting board and you cut it into half. Oh my god, really guys, really. This is such an easy breakfast, lunch, dinner idea. And takes just minutes to make. Once it's over the pan, it's ready to be sliced up and voila. Here you go. You can see? Okay guys, now I'm gonna try it. You can dip with whatever you want. I'm gonna dip it with mayonnaise and sour cream. Oh my god. Can you see? Can you see? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Everything. The chicken, sour cream, the eggs, all inside. You cannot imagine, guys. All the ingredients are super tasty, super delicious. Just try it. You will not regret. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe and share. And stay posted for my next videos. Stay safe and spread love. Ciao.